We've got an issue with some windows in this edition of The Law and You. Back with us, attorneys Greg Fellerman, Ed Ciarimboli, and some good coffee for the guys.
Yeah, cheers. I tell you, this is a fascinating question. Whoever sent this in, really interesting question.
All right, let's get to it. We'll see what the story is here about the windows for Jill in Tamaqua. Jill said, I ordered windows from a local manufacturer. I was away when they put them in. The windows were white, and the windows they put them in are off-white. They're refusing to replace them. What can Jill do about this window color problem?
It's a fascinating question. I actually did some research on this, and believe it or not, Jill, I don't think that you can force them to remove the windows. Now, because the windows are functional, there's not a defect with the product other than the color. Now, I think what you can do is you can require, you ordered off-white windows, and they won't take them out and put different ones in, but you can move forward and have them paint the windows to be the color that you ultimately pick. But I looked at it, and amazingly, I don't think she can have them, force them to take the windows out because there's not a defect in the product.
Okay. So who did you order them from? Take a look at your order. Make sure if it's not what you ordered, then you may have a case. But if it's what you ordered and you're just not happy with it, you may be stuck with it. I don't disagree.
Yeah, no, it
might be easier just to paint, like Eddie said.
And that's, the laws. I took a look at it, and so performance under a contract means that the product is working as it intended, which the windows are. The color, if your order specifically said white and they gave you off-white, then you would have an argument to proceed to make them paint them, but not remove them because they're working just fine. So
assuming they could be painted too, if they're
right.
They are like a
maybe they can't be
molded type
right.
window,
That's a different story. If they can't be painted, then you may be able to force them to remove them. But it was a very interesting question.
Yeah, no doubt about that. And results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Give them a call. Check them out online. And don't forget the Law and You hotline and PAHomepage.com are there for you.